Hello students, this is 4th class English notes, Unit 7, Profession. The Balloon Man. Read and answer orally, say yes or no. Correct and write the sentences if you find them wrong. First one, the balloon man skips lunch every day. Answer is yes. Second one, the balloon man came to the market only in summer. Answer is no. Third one, the balloon man always sold red, purple, blue, and green colored balloons. Yes. Fourth one, the balloon man displayed each balloon separately. No. Fifth one, the balloons look beautiful if they are let into air. Yes. Sixth one, people waited for the balloon man to let the balloons go. Yes. Read and write the answers. Third question, do you like balloons? What colors do you like? Answer is yes, I like balloons. Silver color I like. Fourth one, in the sports opening functions, balloons are flown in the sky. Why? Answer, because for fun, happiness, they would look pretty in the sky. Listen and say aloud. Teacher will say these words aloud. Listen and repeat. Classify the words into two columns based on their sounds. Main A, Part B. In A, night, tide, night, kite, boy, toy, joy, buy. In B column, choice, noise, voice, mind, sky, why, my, I, try, I, oil. Play the game, read the given pictures, write the suitable word for each picture in the first box and the correct number in the second box. Bakery, third number is bakery. Seventh number is jewelry shop. Eighth number is medical shop. Second number is fruit and vegetable market. Fourth number is food mart. First is flower market. Fifth one is beauty parlor. Sixth one is vegetables. In the blanks with a word from the box. First one is we can buy some painkiller at the medical shop. Second one, I am going to the bakery to buy some bread. Third one, there are some lovely flowers at the flower market. Fourth one is I bought this gold necklace at a local jewelry shop. Fifth one, there were not any fresh vegetables at the vegetable market. Sixth one, Lakshmi's hair looks awful. She needs to go to the beauty parlor. The balloon man. First one, when does the balloon man come to sell his balloons? Answer is he always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. Second one, what different colors of balloons does the balloon man sell? Answer is they are red and purple, blue and green.